The Pokemon Knockout Collection Box is one of those affordable Pokemon TCG products that is great for casual collectors and kids. I like this type of product because it is easy to find at many retail stores. Each Knockout Collection box typically includes one foil card featuring featured Pokemon such as Kyogre, Alakazam, or Galar region Pokemon. Then we have a sticker sheet and 2 Pokemon booster packs. In my case, I got 2 boxes from Walmart, and both came with a Surging Sparks and a Twilight Masquerade pack inside. Overall, the Knockout Collection box is not as exciting as an Elite Trainer box or a Premium Collection, but it is a fun Pokemon TCG product. It is available for around $10 to $13 at retail stores like Walmart, Target, or Dollar General.